Well, hello guys, I am doing a slightly different video this week. It's going to be like a weekly vlog, just to change it up. Sorry, my mum might be in the background there. She's just with her rollers in her hair in the morning. I'm home for the week in Dublin and I have a few things going on this week that I think might be kind of enjoyable for a vlog instead of just boring, mundane life. So I thought I would vlog and see where it goes. It might be absolutely awful, but sure, might as well start it. I'm literally about to run out the door to get my hair done, hence why my hair looks mad. Who actually does their hair before they go to get it done. I'm gonna bring you along with me. I'm gonna go, although my hair looks really bright in this light, I'm gonna go a lot blonder this time. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do layers as well because I basically have all this breakage in the front anyway, so I might as well get layers so it looks actually styled and intentional, and it'll actually cut the dead ends off the breakage and look a bit better. So yeah, that is the plan. I'm actually running a bit late, so I need to run out the door. I'll try vlog when I'm there, but I'm sure all of you don't want to see me just sitting in a chair, so I'll probably just show you the after, but I'll show you quickly my hair salon because it's honestly so nice. It's like something that you get in like LA. It's like all the concrete and stuff. It's really nice. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video and hopefully it's actually entertaining and easy to watch and not boring. I'm gonna stop rambling. Almost forgot to update with my hair. I'm trying to get like similar lighting, but obviously it's later in the day, so the lighting has changed. Ooh. Yeah, my hair is super blonde. You can see all of the layers that I got put in there. It actually hasn't really changed the length, like the look of the length of my hair that much because I had all the breakage. It just kind of like cleaned up the ends a bit, makes it look a little bit healthier instead of just like wispy ends. It's kind of more like blunt. I had to just redo my makeup because, you know, half your face comes off when you're in the hairdressers, and I forgot when your hair is this bright you really have to do your makeup completely different. So I like just have one color on my lids and then like whatever lipstick, and I just feel like it looks as if I have so much more makeup on. I'm so happy with it, honestly. It feels so good. So I'm gonna just use loads of the K18 hair treatment, which is basically like the kind of new version or like the newer Olaplex, and apparently it is a better like bond repair. So I'll leave a link for it down below and maybe some videos with more detail about it if you're like me and you love to like understand the kind of science behind it and how they actually work. And yeah, I'm in such a good mood. My hair has not been this bright I think in about 3 years, so feels good. So I literally just did not finish the vlog yesterday. To be honest, it was kind of a non-event day. I feel like I'm always standing here, but the lighting's best. So I'm actually on my way into town. I'm going to get my ring cleaned with Gears Jewelers, which is where I got my engagement ring. They offer like complimentary cleaning when you purchase jewelry from them. So I'm gonna go in, and then this is my outfit for the day. I just have these Topshop straight jeans on from ASOS, Nike Air Force Ones. This is like a basic tank top from Zara in size medium, and then this is the navy blazer I got from Zara men's section. That's in my most recent Zara haul, and I just have my Chanel bag. I said before I like the black and navy together. I know some people hate it, but I actually like it. So yeah, if you're looking for an engagement ring, I'm going to show you all of the like selection they have in Gears because it's actually ridiculous compared to any jewelers I went to. They have so many options. So if you want to try on different styles and see how they look like on your hand, it's the best place to go because they literally have everything. And Jeff, who I was dealing with, is like a perfectionist, and I literally sent a picture of what I was looking for. He's like, yeah, we can do that. So yeah, they can basically make anything that you want and they're fab. But yeah, I'll take you along with me. So obviously I'm back. I kind of filmed a bit there when I was in Gears. You could see like all of the rings that they have. Honestly, you go in there, it's like you just get blinded by diamonds and you just lose track of time. But I just ate, so hopefully I have nothing in my teeth. They have, oh hello, so many rings and so much jewelry. It's honestly like heaven. But they cleaned my ring. It's super sparkly and they actually gave me some at-home cleaning stuff, so I'll show you what they gave me. It's like a little pen for when you're traveling. I'm actually going to meet my other sister who doesn't live at home for a walk, and then I'm going to do a food shop. I've actually been really like on it recently with working out, so I've been working out 4 to 5 times a week. I say as I'm holding my arm up because the camera's too heavy. For like, this is my 6th week now, so I'm like feeling good about it, and I've been much like more consistent with like eating healthier. I'm not really strict, I just make sure to eat like balanced and like well. So I eat a good breakfast, lunch, dinner, still like go out and eat out and whatever, but I'm just not getting Deliveroo and takeaways like 7 times a week, because I got to the stage where it was literally like 7 takeaways a week, and I was like, hey, this is just stupid money being spent and also not good for my health. So I might actually show you what I pick up and what I make for dinner. There's this Instagram page that I follow that's really good ideas. He just runs and then waits for it to drop and it's nowhere near him. Good boy. Oh, you giving it to me? Good boy. Oh. Oh, good boy for dropping. Sure Jesus, didn't I nearly forget to show you what I picked up in the supermarket. God forbid. The lighting in this country is just grey. So for dinner I'm going to make this recipe that I've seen on Board of Lunch, which is an Instagram account that I follow that I'm going to show you guys. And he has such good easy ideas, like air fryer and slow cooker, which is so handy if you don't like slaving for ages over cooking a meal. This one here. So instead of with pasta, I'm going to do it with mashed potato and tender stem broccoli, and then underneath it he has like the ingredients and then the method as well, so you don't have to just keep rewatching this. You can just screenshot it if you want. So that is what I'm going to do. It's like a mustardy creamy chicken, but instead of cream you're using Philadelphia Light. And honestly, I'm, you know, little wins, like I'm actually proud of myself. Sorry, there's like kettle is on there. But I have been intentionally trying not to like order food, because like I said, it just got so out of hand that I'd be like ordering 7 times a week, sometimes twice in one day, and it's just such a waste of money and just your overall health, mental health, everything. So working out and also eating healthy, I'm not like really strict. I kind of find that for breakfast and lunch I'm okay to eat the same kind of things like for a while, because I genuinely like enjoy them and I'm just lazy. So I have like a breakfast burrito, or I have vanilla like Liberté yogurt with granola, berries, honey, or I have like peanut butter and banana and honey on toast, or some sort of fry or something like that. And I'm happy out doing that, and then it's just easy doing the food shop. I buy just the same kind of ingredients, and then for dinners I have my kind of go-to that I just make without even having to like look at a recipe or method, and then I'll try like one new recipe each week. I've actually been doing more than one new one each week because of those accounts that I follow. There's another one called Healthy Fit Bella that I've shared on my Instagram story before. I made one of her pastas, so good. So yeah, I'll make this and then I'll show you what it looks like if you're thinking of making it, let you know what I think. Okay, so this is dinner. It looks absolutely delicious. It smells so good. It's actually more effort than I thought it was going to be to make, but it looks like it's going to be worth it. So that's mashed potato, the chicken there, and then the sauce with some broccoli on top, and it's huge. I don't know if that's even going to show up. It's such a generous portion, so I'm going to be very satisfied after this, and I'll report back and let you know if it was worth it. Delish. Definitely recommend. It was way more effort than what I thought, but very good. Like so late, we stayed up watching the new episode of the Kardashians, and now I need to have a body shower and do my tan, because I'm going to Kildare village tomorrow for the new Sinead Curie pop-up, and then I have a wedding dress appointment on Saturday morning, so I need to have my tan done because I can't wear instant tan for the wedding dress appointment. So this is the tan I'm going to use. It's my absolute favorite at the moment. It's the Be Bold Super Serum in dark. I also got new products from La Roche-Posay. They were gifted to me. I actually picked them out myself. It's giving the same vibe of, I actually did it myself. Yeah. I'm also whispering here, which is why I'm so silent, because it's nighttime and everyone, well, I thought everyone was asleep. So that's why I'm kind of like silent. So just ignore that. But they were like gifted. So I got this, which is a hyaluronic acid serum. The Everclar range is for like acne prone and blemish prone skin. It has salicylic acid. So I'm due my period in about 10 days to a week. So I'm going to start using this to stop any like period breakouts. The best hyaluronic acid serum ever. Sorry, Claudia just came in there. Claudia works for La Roche-Posay in L'Oreal, so she just came in like, what is that even? Clinique. Oh, okay. What are the chances she came in as I was doing this? This is actually the new niacinamide serum from La Roche-Posay that I do really want to try.
I'm not giving it to you, I just brought it down.
I know.
I can see the texture.
I know, yeah. But this is the new serum. I haven't got it yet, so I'm going to pick it up. It's available now. And then, sorry Claudia, but this is just the moisturizer that I'm using at the moment, the Clinique Moisture Surge. I just ran out of the SkinCeuticals triple lipid cream, which I absolutely loved, but I had this, so I'm going to try this out. It's nice, just very, very light, so if you've oilier skin then you'll like this, but the SkinCeuticals better for dry skin.
You'll get me in it.
You're not in it. So I'm going to have a body shower and do my tan, and then I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Well, good morning. You probably can't even see my tan here. Can you see that? No, you can't. But yeah, I'm up, dressed and ready. This is my outfit today. It's basically just different variations of the same outfit. Guys, very simple, right? When it works for me, I'm like, that's fine. I'm not going to complicate it. This blazer I got from Arquette recently. Absolutely love it. The color is honestly such a nice brown, because it's not like, it's almost like a cooler brown. Really like it. This is a Sinead Curie cami, which is so creased from being in my suitcase. I'm going to Sinead Curie today, so how embarrassing showing up with a creased cami. I have the same jeans on as yesterday, Nike Air Force Ones, and then I went for a black handbag instead of cream. I just think it looks better with the brown or something. So yeah, my makeup, I've actually been doing it way like more natural and kind of soft, because my hair is basically white now, so I can't really get away with like really intense makeup. I feel like this just works better with my hair. It's literally one colour all over my lids. You could use like a really dark bronzer if you had it, and it just looks like I have way more on. So is that my hair? Yeah, it takes a bit of adjusting, but I actually kind of like it because it's quicker to get ready. I don't know if I said it yesterday, I'm going to Kildare Village, which is like your outdoor retail outlet shopping centre type of thing, and I have not been there in years, but there's so many new like pop-up I can't speak. There's so many new retail, oh my god, what the fuck. And I was kindly given a voucher for Sinead Curie to pick up things in store, and if you've watched any of my recent haul videos, you know I absolutely love her pieces. This, like I said a second ago, is from her, but it's all like silk. Well, she has other pieces bar silk, but I just love the silk pieces because it's like such a staple. Capsule wardrobe is for me, guys. It's just so much easier to get ready. But anyway, I'm gonna link all of my outfits and everything that I wore in the description box down below, so if you're interested in anything, make sure to check out the description box.
Okay, just second there now, so I'm gonna go.
Kildare Village is good. So it's actually been quite a while since Kildare Village. It's so nice there. I haven't been there in years, and they have so many like Anastasia, Beverly Hills and everything there, like shops I didn't even know were there. So I actually must go out there properly and spend like a day. And they have like Prada and a load of like luxury brands, all reduced. Everything there is reduced, so it's definitely worth the visit. We end up getting Sprite. So there's a nice like variety of stuff to eat there. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I got from Sinead Curie. The shop was so fab, honestly, so nice. It's just a pop-up. They have it like fitted out so well. So this is what I picked up. I actually went down a size to a UK 8. I usually just go for 10 and don't think twice, but I actually tried this on in the 10, and the like draped neck here was like really gaped, and I just thought like that style doesn't suit me, and just was like completely exposing my boobs. So I was like, okay, that's a no. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna try on the 10, and the 10 is perfect, or the 8 and the oh my god, the 8 is perfect. And I'm so happy because I love the color. It is such a nice like olivey green, love it. And then in Kildare Village it's €65, so you actually save quite a lot. And then I picked up this here, which is a navy mini dress. So you might remember like my haul 2 hauls ago where I featured some of the Sinead Curie pieces. I have the black midi dress version of this and I really wanted the mini dress. I got this in a size 8 again and it was €105 reduced from, I think that says 189. That's like such good saving, but yeah, love it, love the navy. They also have this in black as well. And then I picked up a black version of the white cami that I was wearing today. These were all gifted, by the way, so I basically was given a voucher that I could spend in store, just to be completely clear. And yeah, this is 115 in Kildare Village, and I got this again in a size 8 because I don't know if you can see from the earlier clips, but the size 10, although it fits, there's like a lot of extra fabric, so the 8 just kind of still is like loose, but just kind of gives more shape to me. And then I also was gifted these bits from Sarah Curie, which is her sister who has a makeup range, and they're so cute. How nice all the packaging. It's like Charlotte Tilbury or something. So the lipstick I have on now is one of the Sarah Curie lipsticks. This is the shade Anyway, which is like a browny kind of color, and we're like a brown undertone nude, and it's so nice, and they're really like hydrating on the lip. Really, really nice, really comfortable to wear. And yeah, I've been absolutely spoiled. Actually, now that I remember, I'm going to show the 2 cleaning products from Gears while I'm showing all the bits that I was very lucky to get this week. So for any other jewellery lovers, this is like a kind of travel friendly diamond cleaner, and then this is like a polishing cloth for gold because it can kind of get a bit like dull, so just to bring it back up. And then this is like, you know those cleaners, like the ones that you kind of just put it into. Really, really happy with all those, because everyone who has any like good jewellery is always like, just keep cleaning them, stay on top of it, and don't let them get dirty, because then it's even harder to get the dirt like dislodged out of them. So just little and often. But yeah, I actually am starting getting really bad migraines the last few days, and I don't know if it's because I'm due my period in like a week or what, but I'm just getting in my eye now and it's honestly so off-putting. So yeah, tomorrow is my first ever wedding dress shopping. Like, that actually doesn't even feel real. It's so crazy, and I'm so excited to go out. So I'm going with my 2 sisters. My mum might be able to make it, I'm not sure yet, she could be working. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'll obviously bring you along tomorrow. If anything exciting happens for the rest of the evening, I'll show you, but I don't think there will be, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's the next day. So we're just about to head out for the dress, it's not dress fitting, anyway, the dress appointment. This is what I'm wearing. This is the Sinead Curie top. So this is in the size 8. For the first time I actually went down, and it just sits a bit better. I have the wrong strapless bra on because I brought the wrong one with me, so it's a little bit big, so when I bend over you can kind of see the strapless bra a bit, but so nice. And then these are just white Zara straight jeans, and then my Veas with the little green on them, and then I have it with my Annie Bing or Anina Bing blazer, the whole kind of green. I might look. About to head out now because it's about 2 hours 15-minute drive, and if I can get footage when I'm there, then I will, but I'm not sure if I can because some places don't let you film or take pictures, so we shall see.
It's not like you, I feel lovely. Okay. Just kidding.
Stupid bitch now in a second.
What's she saying?
No, I have to wait for all of them to overtake 2 of us. I'm not with her. I don't know her.
So cute. Sparkling water with wonky raspberries.
Jessie straight into the freebies.
Was there?
Guess who didn't end the vlog? Me. Ew, my fucking nails. Yeah, I'm literally in the middle of editing it now. Looks pretty shit, so please just leave any comments down below. Feedback, what I need to include, what I need to improve on, how I can make it better, what you actually want to see. I don't know, because I don't vlog, if you know what I mean. I will watch anyone's vlog and I'm happy to just watch them literally like clean a dish. But I feel like anything I do is boring. Obviously there's some things I couldn't show, like what wedding dresses and stuff I was trying on, but I'm gonna upload it. I wasn't going to because I was like, it's shit, I'm not happy with it, but at least if I put it up, you guys can tell me what I can improve on, what I can leave out, what I can add in or whatever. I'm just repeating myself now, but you get the point. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bear with me when I learn how to vlog better and include more exciting things. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Any other suggestions, I'll try to keep like a beauty or kind of fashion video for my next one. Don't worry, I won't bore you with another vlog. Let me know down below, and if you're not already, please subscribe and definitely give the video a thumbs up because it really does help me out, and I'm trying to fucking get back into it. Anyway, bye.